Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Circle, circle, diamond, diamond, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, trapezoid, trapezoid, cross, cross. Let's learn some colors. Black color, light yellow color, orange color, deep green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, light pink color, red color, purple color, deep yellow color, blue color, pink color. Now fill color in shape. Cerulean blue color, cerulean blue color, French vermilion color, French vermilion color, turquoise blue color, turquoise blue color, old red color, old red color, orange color, orange color, salmon pink color, salmon pink color. Now learn 2D shapes. Circle, diamond, semicircle, pentagon, trapezoid, cross. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.